the Filestation application and the file structure on the Cloud Portal. At Sonic Mud Records, we use QNAP systems for our Cloud Portal. By clicking on any of the folders or the side tab, you'll be able to access the Filestation. The Filestation is similar to a file explorer. On the side tab, you'll find the client's public folder. This folder contains files that you can read or download, but you won't be able to delete or alter any contents here. The Home folder. The Home folder is where you can store up to 50 gigabytes of your own audio files to access from different computers or recording studios. You can upload, download, read or alter the files in this folder. You'll find the controls on the top tab. The Home folder is the most important folder for you. Inside this folder, you'll find the project documentation folder and the project folder. The project documentation folder is where all the documentation related to your project will be delivered, such as receipts, mastering notes, and publishing notes. The project folder is where you should upload your original material to be shared with the professionals involved in the project. The final tracks will also be uploaded to this folder once the project is complete. It's very important that you not alter the file structure in the Home folder. It's been created specially to suit the needs of your project. You can also share folders with your band members and colleagues. Just create a folder on your Home folder. And right-click on it to create a share link or to share it via email. The files you share will appear on the Share Link Management tab. In the Shared with Me tab, you can also see folders that have been shared with you.